Sundsketti ja Järvenpää, Mäkikatu, Foorin, Loutti, Järvenpää.
Yeah, it's in Loutjärvi. It's
Loutti.
Loutjärvi in Järvenpää, Treskenda. Uusimaa, Finland.
Yeah, it's Loutti.
Oh, it's Loutti. This is this residential district or like suburb of Järvenpää.
Yeah.
It's kind of one of there's several suburbs. This one was built in 1983. Turned 35 years old in 2018. Zero is aged 6857 and today it is the 18th of September 2020. Should be faster.
Yeah.
It's got 8 floors, but the buttons light up so it's not that simple.
Yeah.
And it's going to be inspected in next year, 2021. Let me see if it has full memory. Maybe it has, but the 4P doesn't light up.
Yeah.
This is actually the first elevator in Järvenpää we filmed today. After we're walking quite a lot, but sometimes there is just not enough luck.
Yeah.
Because in the most central residential districts, almost everything is locked off.
Yeah.
And those that are open are either replaced or don't have any elevators.
Yeah.
That's why it's much better to try all these like suburbs here.
Yeah.
But we have also still to try a few in the city, or in the central, like the tallest residential building also.
Yeah.
And a few more on the other side of the station.
Yeah. That's